Amazon expedition, day 7. 2,000 miles from Rio, we've reached the center of the rainforest. We are surrounded by plants and animals struggling for survival as we glide effortlessly down the river.
Effortless for you.
How pretty. Oh, spit it out, spit it out! Oh!
We're near the nesting grounds of the Amazonian wood quail, Odontophorus gujanensis. 6 months ago, we rescued this little bird from smugglers. It was sick, malnourished, with a broken leg. But now, my trusty assistant, loving wife and colleague, will release her back to her natural habitat.
It's okay. You can go now. Just like this.
Let me talk to her.
Go on. Do you think she's gonna be all right?
Give it some time.
Welcome home. Wait a minute. What is she saying, Tulio?
It's just hard for her to say goodbye.
No, I think she's trying to warn us.
No, Linda. It might be some sort of mating dance.